Dreaming of long, luscious hair but not sure where to start? It can feel overwhelming with all the products and social media hacks out there. But don't worry, growing healthy hair doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Here are some simple, expert-backed tips to get you started. First, focus on your scalp. Think of it as the foundation for your hair. Washing your hair about twice a week keeps it clean and free from dandruff, creating the perfect environment for growth. Next, be mindful of your products. It's best to use products recommended by a dermatologist that suit your specific hair type. Regular oiling can also work wonders. Don't forget what you eat. A balanced diet rich in iron, zinc, and vitamin D is crucial. But be careful. Too many supplements can actually cause hair loss. Finally, give your hair a break. Avoid tight hairstyles like buns or braids that constantly pull on your strands. Let it flow freely whenever you can. If you've tried everything and still struggle, it might be time to see a professional. They can help identify underlying issues. Remember, these tips are a starting point, and for specific medical concerns, always consult a doctor. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more tips.